Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices in WooCommerce using a WordPress plugin. If you're running an online store, having professional, customized invoices can make a huge difference in how your customers perceive your business, and this process will give you full control over what information appears on those invoices. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and sign in now. You'll need to be logged in to access your WordPress dashboard and make these changes. Once you're in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with additional options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This is where you'll find the tool we need to customize your WooCommerce invoices. You'll now see the Plugins page, which displays all the plugins available for your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar and type in PDF Invoice. From the search results, look specifically for PDF invoice and packing slips for WooCommerce. This plugin is perfect for what we're trying to accomplish. Click on More Details to see an overview of the plugin and understand its features and functions. Take a moment to review what it offers. Once you're ready, click Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient as WordPress processes everything. When the installation finishes, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin. After your page refreshes, click on WooCommerce in the left navigation menu. An expanded menu will appear and you'll notice a new option labeled PDF Invoices. This is the plugin we just installed. Click on it to start customizing your invoices. Let's begin with the General tab. Click on the drop-down arrow under How do you want to view the PDF. Here, check your preferred paper size and select a template that suits your branding. These settings control the basic appearance of your invoices. Now head over to the Documents section. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll be presented with two options: Invoice or Packing Slips. For this tutorial, choose Invoice. Under the General section, click Enable. This activates the Invoice feature. You'll then see an option to attach this invoice to every email listed. This is useful because it means your customers will automatically receive their invoice whenever they get an order confirmation or shipping notification. Scroll down and check the Document Details section. Here, you can choose what information you want displayed on your invoices, such as your business name, address, tax numbers, or any other relevant details. Go through these options carefully and select what you wish to include. Once you're satisfied with your customization, click Save Changes to finalize everything. And that's it. You've successfully customized your WooCommerce invoices to match your business needs. Your customers will now receive professional, branded invoices with every purchase. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.